We are back. Yes. And I'm screaming. I'm so excited to be here. You know why I'm excited? It's because even though I don't think if I've gotten enough rest, I'm still feeling nauseous. It's called nauseous, right? Whereby your internal organ wants to jump out, because there's this thing that my sister recommended for me that I should be drinking, which was the mixture of turmeric, lemon, ginger, black pepper, carrot, and orange. Imagine that concoction. So, and for some time I've not been taking it, and yesterday I don't know what happened. I was just the sickness thing, it just kept knocking me down. I was like, okay, I took the prescription that I got from the pharmacy, and I'm supposed to be taking that shit 1 shot per day. But then yesterday I got so mad, I was like, I packed three shots and shake it just three, because I love the is it coldness or that feeling you get when you drink ginger, the way it passing through your neck is like, I love that feeling. So yeah, I packed 3 on my system, and since that yesterday till now, I'm still paying turmeric, because the turmeric is so powerful. I'm spitting even. The turmeric is so powerful that like even all the mixture that I took, none of it is coming out. That's how crazy it is. Like none of it is coming out. It's only the turmeric. Like the smell, it stinks so much, and like the whole of my system is like blah, 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 blah. So freaking annoying. But anyways, we are back this afternoon, and we're going to do a lot of fancy workout today. A lot of fancy shoulder workouts. So first, we're going to start with the basics. The basics, because staying with the basics is the number one thing that you should never forget when it comes to lifting, swinging, and having fun at the gym. So you should always stay close to the basics. So now, this afternoon, how I'm going to start is the first workout is going to be lateral raise and superset of lateral raise and bent over rear-delt. And then after that, traditional shoulder presses. Then after shoulder presses, then we'll start the fancy workout, because I have like three fancy workout that I've added to my workout, and I want to try it today, and I'll see how it will look. And you're like, where do you get it from? I got it from this guy, Eric. Is it Eric, right? Eric Jenkins, something like that. Yes. So I got the workout from him, whereby he will lean forward on this on incline bench, and yes. You just stay tuned and you'll see the workout I'm talking about. And yeah, let's have a great time, and let's warm up and start having fun. I have the gym all by myself as always, and I'm so excited right now that in the afternoon, whenever I come, I always meet the cleaner or few people, like 1 person or 2 people. But then this afternoon I came, the gym is closed, so I'm the one that opened it. So I better get going. Right now it's what time is it? It's 13:35. That means 1:35. So, and 3:30 people start coming. And I think that one person that usually come is going to be here in the next 1 hour or 30 minutes. But anyway, the fun part of him is that he doesn't need music to work out. So I'm good, at least for the next 2 hours, 2 hours to 2 hours 30 minutes. So let's have a great time, and let's work out. Can you hear the echo? And tomorrow morning is legs. Yeah, let's go. This first exercise is gonna be triple superset. It's gonna be lateral raise, and then after that, rear-delt, and after that, face pull. 3. So, are you ready for this painful experience? Yes, I'm ready. Born ready. Okay. Let's start with 12.5. Okay. Bring your ass here. One. Ooh. Okay. Here we go. Let's go to 15. Fifteen. Come on, bro. Okay. Two more. One more. Or just something else. I think it has to do with healthy. Yes. Okay. Okay. Shoulder press. Shoulder press. Okay, first set. Here we go. Okay, we are starting with 40 kilo. 40 kilo. Bro, why are you wasting time, bro? Are you scared of it? Be honest. If you're scared of it, just say you're scared of it. There's no need of trying to say that you're staying with 4K, 40K, and then you're waiting. I'm not scared, bro. I don't think if I'm training triceps again, I'm only stopping with shoulders, man. You only shoulders. Okay, 2 more, but we'll have to go for 45 now. 45. 45. 45. Oh. Oh, yes. Chalo bhai. Chalo bhai, bhai chalo. I'm motivating myself. It's called motivation. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, baby. Come on. You seen it? We are rapping it. Rap. One more. Oh my gosh. Last set. Thank God for fitness, man. Thank God for all this. Thank God for access. Because I don't even know. I can't even imagine myself without it. I can't. Like, my mind can't even process it. If you notice, all this thing I'm doing is for me to get enough rest. But still, I can't even process my life without this. Yeah. This is everything to me. All this is everything to me. Everything. When I mean everything, it's everything to me. Come on, bro, stop being so serious. And finish. Come on. Maximum effort. Shut up. Next. Is that too much? No, I think it is. Let's be respectful. Two more. Drop set. You're dropping set on this. Much weight. How much is going to be left? Okay. One more. man. What be this now? Okay. Come on. Let's finish it. Maximum effort. Wow. Oh, that was heavy. Okay. Should we drop one more set? Okay. Even though it's empty, it's alright. But this is the last set. We have to. Come on, bro. Maximum effort. Next. I think I was so excited that I even forgot about the sexy workout. So let me just continue with my shoulder movement and as this is the last exercise. Face pull. Upright run, my bad. Upright row, it's not called face pull. Face pull is this, upright row is this. Whew. That trap is coming. It's coming. Let's finish this and call it a day. And tomorrow morning is gonna be legs. No tricep today, okay? Okay? I'm gonna train full arms on Saturday. So today, no triceps. And right now, I'm gonna, don't say it. Don't say it, don't say it. Don't say it. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna give my body a little bit of rest, breathing space, so that I'll have enough energy for tomorrow. That sounds like an excuse, I know. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Oh, fuck. I'm out of here. So, thanks so much for sticking around. And God is real. God is real, for goodness sake, man. Stay close to him. He knows the best. He has a better plans for you. And I'm gonna see you guys on the next one tomorrow. Legs. Peace.